Today I am coming with a new topic. Why drink alkaline water? I am Coach Baby Manuran and you are watching SKBM Videos episode 9. Water is a natural resource that provides the body with a slew of different benefits. Drinking sufficient water can help our body stay hydrated, assist overall brain function, and can even aid in losing weight. Every one of us grew up hearing that we needed to drink at least 8 cups of water a day. Like it or not, we live in an age of designer water like alkaline water, sparkling water, artesian water, spring water, hydrogen water, etc. Regardless of what you buy, it is important to know what is in your water. Here we will restrict the discussion to alkaline water. You may have heard alkaline water touted as a miracle solution to your woes. Alkaline water is drinkable water with a high pH, usually in the range of 8 to 10. Alkaline water may also contain some alkaline minerals and a negative ORP or oxidation reduction potential. Makers of alkaline water say that it is usually made through the following steps. Number 1. Filtration of potable water from a source to remove particles greater than a pre-selected size. Number 2. The filtered water is then sent through a water purification unit to produce purified water with a total dissolved solids content not greater than 10 ppm. Then selected alkaline minerals are added to the purified water so that the resulting mineralized water has a selected mineral concentration between 20 to 200 ppm. Finally, electrolysis of this mineralized water is done to produce alkaline water with a pH in the range 8 to 10, total dissolved solids in the range 20 to 240 ppm, and alkalinity in the range 12 to 216 ppm. The added minerals are typical alkaline minerals like magnesium, calcium, potassium, sodium, etc. Electrolysis is brought by applying a DC voltage at a sufficiently high voltage between the anode and cathode. The membrane kept in between restricts water from passing there through but allows ions to readily pass through. Then at the surface of the anode is generated oxygen gas producing acidic water, whereas at the cathode element hydrogen gas is generated resulting in alkaline water. Now we will examine the various health benefits given by proponents of alkaline water. Number 1. Alkaline water helps to fight excess acidity in the body and neutralizes its harmful effects. Hence, it becomes a solution to fight a lot of common ailments that occur due to higher levels of acidity in the body by balancing the pH level of blood. Number 2. Alkaline water is a rich source of antioxidants and hence it stops environmental aggressors from messing up with your skin to keep our skin look young, youthful and moisturized. Number 3. Alkaline water deeply hydrates our whole body. Number 4. Alkaline water improves our immune system function to help fight diseases. Number 5. It increases blood oxygen levels to deliver more energy to the body. Number 6, a higher pH in the body reduces the need for fat and cholesterol to protect from damaging acids. Number 7, alkaline water improves the body's absorption of essential nutrients. Number 8, it reduces cellular and DNA damage caused by free radicals, as alkaline water is a rich source of antioxidants. Number 9, it detoxifies the body by cleaning our cells from inside out. And number 10, it improves bone health, heart health, cancer resistance, etc. Proponents of alkaline water project a few studies to showcase the beneficial aspects of alkaline water. But there are many who argue against the use of alkaline water. Main objections raised by them are: more research is needed beyond the earlier said small studies. Moreover, there is no scientific evidence that fully verifies the claims made by supporters of alkaline water. A second objection is that food can alter the pH of our urine only and not our blood. Our body has many effective ways to closely regulate its pH through the acid-base homeostasis mechanism. Again, our stomach is loaded with hydrochloric acid, giving it a pH of 2 to 3.5, which is highly acidic. This much acidity is necessary to break down our food. Clinical trials, which tend to be more accurate, have concluded that acid-forming diets have no impact on calcium levels in our body. Many alkaline water proponents believe that to maintain a constant blood pH, our body takes alkaline minerals such as calcium from our bones to buffer the acids from the acid-forming foods we eat. However, this theory ignores the function of our kidneys, which are fundamental in removing acids and regulating body pH. The kidneys produce bicarbonate ions that neutralizes acids in our blood, enabling our body to closely manage blood pH. Many argue that cancer grows in an acidic environment and can be treated or even cured with an alkaline one. In fact, cancer grows in normal body tissue, which has a slightly alkaline pH of 7.4. Many experiments have successfully shown that cancer cells can grow in an alkaline environment. It is not the acidic environment that creates cancer cells, but it is the cancer cells that creates the acidic environment. Now we are coming to the bottom line statement. Scientists state that no scientific evidence fully verifies the claims made by supporters of alkaline water. Instead, a diet high in fresh vegetables will usually result in greater alkalinity. I wish to leave you with this. Do you find this video informative? If your answer is yes, please like, share and subscribe. Your support is really meaningful to me. Thanks a lot and see you next time with a new topic. A big thank you.